Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Bianca. In today's video, we're gonna go ahead and create this look that you guys see on me right here. I also went ahead and decorated my hair a little bit with butterflies. Anywho, if you haven't already, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on that bell icon so you can stay up to date every single time I post a new video. Let's start with our pixie mask. I applied it, wait 10 minutes. Then let's go in with our CeraVe. Next, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our rose water. Let's spray, spray, spray. Now let's go in with our Pixie Beauty oiling primer. Apply, blend, blend, blend. Next, we're gonna go ahead and use our e.l.f. putty. Let's go ahead and apply a bit to mattify the look. Let's go in with our Professional. You guys, this one actually works. I actually love how smooth it leaves my makeup looking. This one is the Master Conceal from Maybelline. Let's go ahead and blend out the shadow base. For today's look, we are probably going to be digging into 1 to 2 palettes. I'm going to try to use mainly only the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Wow, so ordinarily news organizations don't start covering a missing persons case until the incredible pain at that moment, and they want to have like some
level. So you see Let It Be and how amazing of a person Gabby was.
To blend, I like to go in with the light base. I use this fluffy brush right here. I believe it's a Jaclyn Hill brush. And next, after blending, we're going to go into the James Charles palette. For that brown you see there, let's apply it to the corner. Let's go ahead and apply a little more. Blend that out using my Jaclyn Hill brush. Next, let's go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we went into that burgundy-ish color. We're applying it to the corners and using another Morphe brush to blend that out. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I blend a lot. I just like to make sure that my eyeshadow is well blended, so I do keep going into the different shadows and blending them all together. Using the same Jaclyn Hill palette, I went into the top shimmers. I actually used 3 of them, which was like a bronzy color, and the other 2 were a light pink and like a champagne pink. Just to add, I don't know, a little bit more pop to the shimmer. To sharpen up the burgundy, I went back into it and blending it a little bit more. Now let's go into the brow bone highlight. For our brow bone highlight, I did use the shimmer from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. So now let's blend out the colors for the other eye. For lashes, we are using ALCATRAZ Divina, y'all. One of my favorite cosmetic brands is her brand. I do like to add white eyeliner to the waterline because for some reason I feel like it makes the eye look bigger. Let's apply foundation, and we are using our Juno sponge. Let's spray some rose water to it and blend, blend, blend our foundation out to make it look a little bit more light skin. Now we're going to jump onto our concealer. Oops, I applied a little too much. I did went ahead and applied my ColourPop concealer as well. You scared me! Why? Oh my god, because I didn't expect you. After really being scared, let's go ahead and blend out this concealer. To blend out the concealer, I do use my big sponge, and then I use this mini beauty blender that is from Juno & Co. Contour, I am using my Pixie palette. Y'all, I love Pixie products, can you tell? Contouring is one of my weaknesses. I fucking suck. Set my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. Then I go in with my MAC Studio powder and NC35 and blend out the setting powder with the foundation powder. I feel like this technique works really well to blend a foundation all out together. It makes it look more natural. We're going in with another Pixie product. They went ahead and sent me this blush. First time using cream blush, you guys, so give me a break here. So far, I think I love it, but let's go ahead and apply some powder blush as well to make it look a bit more pigmented. Last but not least, our favorite, highlighting. Let's wet our brush. I went into those 2 shades, and now let's go ahead and apply a bunch of highlighter. When you guys have been waiting for, dun 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 dun. Wow, so different with makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.